Hey guys, welcome to my first cooking YouTube video, and these are all the things that you're gonna need to cook this recipe. So first you're gonna cook the ground beef until it's brown. Just stir it up. And then once you see that's done, you're just gonna keep stirring it up. Make sure it's all the way done, all brown, and that's when you're gonna add the taco seasoning. So you just add that in, and then you're gonna add a half a cup of water. And then once you do all that, you're gonna just stir it up till it's all nice and mixed in. So once you're done with that, you're gonna scoop it all into a bowl. Any bowl would work for this. The next thing you're gonna do is add a full stick of cream cheese and then stir it in and keep stirring it until you feel like it's mixed in pretty good. And then after that, you're gonna add some shredded cheese, and what I did was made a paste with flour and water. Then you cut the tortilla in half, and you use the paste that you made for it to stick, and you put it around the edges and fold it over like a triangle. And then you squeeze down the sides. You don't need to put a lot of meat because it'll be hard to close. Then you place them into the fryer, deep fryer, whatever you use. Then you drop them and you let them sit for about 3 minutes on each side. And then when you see that they're brown and ready to be coming up, you shake them off. Just shake all the oil off. And that's pretty much the end of this recipe. This is the final meal or final plating. I just added some rice and